Unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.
What wanna get me opinionated peeps? Some people may have a video for sure no today, right? Of a brother, it look like said the man under him liquor. It look like said the man intoxicated, and him just attack out time head. Now you know say I know everybody can angle them rum, and everybody can angle them liquor. You understand? Now this brother yeah, it look like some police must pick him up. We don't know what him do, you know. But the police them never see him like them too. You know, even lock him up like that neither, you know. Because me even hear one of the police them and say, boy, you know, say I feel like I just junk him junk. Why him attack? So I don't feel like I him this pan a regular day, you know, and the man a carry bad pan the police them. Now people, there's a little bit of curse word in it, so just forgive me for this, but take a listen. I want to hear the full effect. Listen to this.
Remember, me they write a report, but see boy, remember
you are losing record, man.
Yeah, man, record it. Record anything I record. But suck on the moment all out. Feel I'm afraid of no batty boy. I'm afraid of you. Sorry my boss. Please. And I laugh. Please. My granny already tell me first laugh, he's not laugh batty boy. Alright, my general, please. I last one. We beg your mercy. Don't beg me, please. We beg your mercy, my boss. Don't do nothing. I want to chuck your head and go catch on the batty. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Please, we beg your mercy. No about me. Thinking, mama. No about me, please, my boss. Now you alone know about me, man. Control yourself in a vehicle. Look at me here, me and maroon. Now you alone know about me. Your mama batty boy. Feel like you can do when? Tomorrow again? Go suck your mama. Me do it last night. Go suck your mother. Me do it last night. And your girl, and your pitney. No, me never do my pitney yet still, but my mother and my wife, me do it. Anything else? Don't talk to me. The thump you up in my face and beat it. Eh? Also, if you beat off the police? Look at me. Yo, me touching on the body, boy. If you beat off the police? Me touching on all your body, boy, like you're fucking young. Yo, it's a minute about this dog. You have to shoot the pussy wall. Hey, body, boy. Anyone you drunk? You happy drunk? Yes, can't drink me drink all night. No, I believe. Me no feel so you state. Oh what? You're drunk, man. Me not think I say chill your blood clad, yeah boy. You're threatening the police? Me not think I saw him saying drunk. Maybe you see him tomorrow and he'll be a different. You're talking with him, here.
If you're grown, I said so that you're not.
Lock me up. Anything you want blood clot.
You're not going to station him at the report. I know so I'm still. You charge this man for assaulting.
No dog, we don't want to work again.
Then you say boy,
I'm a top criminal. Pussy I look for me every day. When I look for me, every blood clot there. Come here turn, yeah, me and me most wanted man them over here. And I want to make me dance a pussy wall. Remember to them, I don't want to work again. I mean, I be most wanted man. Here, go suck on the mama. And I want to force me a come back.
Yeah man.
You can't violate me and live like it. Your body boy, I don't forget your face. Pussy your thumb in your face. Your video when I already know video. Yeah? Video I already know video. Yeah, the first I get I go to the station. You can run and dip up body boy, DC boy. Where I get 80,000 to pay a pussy what? Eh? You feel like 80,000 of money body boy. Or 50,000 for rent. Pussy go suck your mother. Go thumb in your face, watch me. Jaw like a stinking 38 we have on your waist body book. You pussy. Make sure that your heart is have that in your hand. Just suck your mother. You may victimize man sitting here.
Now once again, I say please forgive me for the language we're in the video. But boy, the details surrounding the whole matter are not really clear, but based on some of the things where I must say, it sounds as if a female call the police them and the police them come on the scene for defend some kind of situation where they go on. Based on some of the things them where the brother say, right? Cause me hear must say, yo, all you police boy come like say you a touch the girl and yo the girl run go down a station and ray. You understand me? I say it sounds like a some kind of domestic situation. Right? And the police them come for defend it. But what me can say is, yo, the brother we in the car, he might make the situation worse for himself than it actually is. So we can understand, say him intoxicated, him have liquor rum in him system and all of that. But he might make the situation worse for himself because of the way how he might carry on and attack to the police them and all of Leo threats. You understand? That is not good. Him only a pile on charges for himself. Watch out, man, people. Talk to me down below in the comments cause your opinion matters.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.